Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. You know, because all the cool kids are doing it. Anyways, today I'm going to do another Great Depression recipe. I'm going to make a mock apple pie. Yeah. So what do you do if you really want some apple pie and you don't have apples because they're way too expensive? You make it with crackers. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump right in. Dog paddle in? We're dog paddling apparently. I'm just gonna jump right in and get started with this. To start with, I already have my pie crust done. I just did a Great Depression era pie crust, which is basically just flour, shortening, salt, and cold water. Super simple. So yeah, that's already done. And in a medium size pot, I have water, sugar, and cream of tartar, which is apparently like what makes this. So we're gonna see. The recipe does call for Ritz crackers, but you know, I'm cheap as hell, so we're going with the Aldi version, which I have had to fight my wife to stop trying to eat them because I'm like, I literally got those for a recipe. The only reason that you want to eat them is because I mentioned them, and she's just like, I want some crackers, and I'm like, go to the store and get some more. I'm sweating profusely because it's like 80 some degrees today, and that's disgusting. So anyways, I'm gonna get started on this. I have to put this on the stove and whisk it until it dissolves, and then I'll add some lemon juice and cinnamon. Yeah, and we'll let it cool. What an exciting view. Emotional damage. Stir, 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 and let this cool. Bro, I don't know. Just put the crackers in there. I don't know what it's supposed to look like. Is it supposed to be pretty? Who knows? I think that's good. I feel like it's too deep. I think I went too deep. Oh, maybe I need more crackers. It's such a shit show. I'm just gonna put it all on there. I probably shouldn't have folded the things over. It's gonna be okay. 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 It's definitely gonna ooze up because I am stupid. Okay, but we're gonna pretend that we did it on purpose. All right. So 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. Yeah, 400-degree oven for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna lower it to 350 and bake it for 20 more minutes. So, see what happens. Okay, well, we're out of the oven, and it is very hot. I'm really worried that it's gonna have a soggy bottom. It smells disturbingly good. And like, I know that this is cracker, but like, if I didn't know better, I would assume just by looks that it is a very ugly apple pie. This was not a great idea. The folding was my bad. So I'm gonna let this cool off for a little bit and then try to cut it. Okay. She is done. It honestly, it's really weird because the crackers, Like you can't tell it's a cracker anymore, but you can see like the layer, so it almost looks like it could be a slice of apple. I don't know why I am legitimately like nervous to try this, because well, like what if it's terrible? Then I kind of feel bad because I wasted all this time, but then like what if it's not? All right. I mean, it smells good. Trick or treat, I guess. It's really hot. I'm impatient. I have no words. Like, if I hadn't made this and you just like served it to me at a party or whatever, I'd be like, man, this is a really good apple pie. There's no apples in it. Like, it's got to be a combination of like the cream of tartar, the lemon juice, and the cinnamon, I guess. I know that people got extremely crafty because they had to. They didn't have an option. This is some witchcraft right here. I'd give it like a 7 out of 10. I made it. I'm like, did I put apples? It tastes like apple pie. That's all I got. It tastes like apple pie. You should try this. It's just, if nothing else, just to make yourself go, what? Just blow everyone's mind. But anyways, I hope that you guys are doing well. Make sure you reach out to the friends you haven't talked to in a while, because you never know if you'll actually be able to reach out. I don't know where it's going with that, but that's the closest I have come to this day. So, I'll see you next Tuesday.